To install Prime Agent on Windows, we'll use Windows Subsystem for Linux, also known as WSL. First, open PowerShell as administrator. Run the following command: WSL install. This installs WSL along with the default Linux distribution. After the installation finishes, restart the computer. Once Windows starts again, open Ubuntu from the Start menu. The first time Ubuntu starts, Windows will take a moment to complete the setup. When prompted, create a Linux username and password. The password will not appear while typing, so enter it and press enter when finished. Once Ubuntu is ready, update the package list with sudo apt update. Enter the Linux password when prompted and wait for the update to complete. Prime Agent requires a few standard tools, so make sure curl is installed. Run sudo apt install curl y. Once curl is installed, we're ready to install Prime Agent. Run the official Prime Agent installation command, bash curl fssl or sh. The installer will download and configure Prime Agent on the Linux environment running inside Windows. Wait for the installation to finish. Once the installer completes, verify that Prime Agent is available by running Prime Agent help. If the Prime Agent help information appears, the installation was successful. Before starting the agent, move into the folder where you want Prime Agent to work, for example, mkdir or MyProject. Then enter the folder cd MyProject. Now start Prime Agent with Prime Agent. Prime Agent will start inside the WSL environment. From here, the agent can work with the files and commands available inside your Linux environment. That's how to install Prime Agent on Windows using WSL. In the next step, we can log in and start using Prime Agent.